Chef.
Yep.
Ready.
Okay. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Shangami GA channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make Mexican chicken quesadilla. I know you are really going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Dear friends, let's go through the ingredients we have for our quesadilla today. Cheese, tortilla wrap, paprika powder, black pepper, oregano, salt, tomato paste, garlic, bite-sized chicken breast, green, red, and yellow pepper, and our diced onions. The stove is set into high heat. Put a little oil, our chicken inside, black pepper, we wait for it to sear before we stir, and then add the garlic and onion. Half of the chicken is already seared. I can stir it now, add the garlic, half of the onion, because we have part of the chicken also waiting. So we cook it a little bit, then we add tomato paste, onion and garlic, nicely cooked, bringing out beautiful flavor. You can add some tomato paste now, 2 teaspoons, to cook for 2 minutes. And add the peppers now. Look at how beautiful the chicken and the vegetables are. A little paprika powder, oregano, just 1 spoon. We wait for 2-3 minutes, then our chicken and vegetable is ready. Our chicken is beautiful sauteed with the vegetables. Tortilla bread ready. You have a cheese here. Let's go on and do the filling. Okay, not too much cheese, but make sure the cheese touches the edges of the bread, so that when we put the other bread on the top, you can really stick it. Then our chicken and vegetable, but the chicken and vegetable shouldn't go to the edge of the bread. If you do that, the bread cannot really stick together well. Beautiful. Nice. Then some cheese on top. Okay. Then our nice and fresh tortilla. Boom. And our pan is already hot. So straight up, we put it in the pan. Put oil to make sure our quesadilla come out very crunchy. Okay, now. Okay. Our quesadilla. Okay, so you press it a little bit gently at the edges, so that the cheese down can stick to the upper bread, so that when you are flipping, you will not see the cheese and the chicken falling from the bread. 8 seconds now, and I think it's nicely cooked. So I gently flip it over. Wow, sexy. It's beautiful. I really love the crunchy color of the tortilla bread. So we have 30 seconds more, then I flip it over again. 30 seconds now, so let me flip it over again. Wow, very beautiful. We wait for 30 seconds more, then our chicken quesadilla is 100% done. I think, wow, very beautiful, sexy and romantic. Oh, I love it. Our Mexican chicken quesadilla came out beautifully and nicely. You can see how beautiful the color is and how sexy the vegetable and chicken and cheese, everything looks perfectly inside. Please, this is very simple to make. Follow the simple recipe. It will take you less than 10 minutes to finish the whole process. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.